This is a tutorial on lady guards. I was at dinner with a friend who told me he'd always wanted to date a lady guard and, make whoopee with her in her uniform. I broke the bad news to him. I dated a lady guard. How? I used to take a laptop and work in a Starbucks at Power Plant Mall in Makati. The mall's entrance was right behind where I sat, and the entrance was staffed by a male and a female guard. On my second day in Starbucks, the male guard came in and, kind of sheepishly handed me a phone number. It belonged to the lady guard. She and I went out. She told me that their uniforms and equipment are all kept in a locker room at the mall. They do not wear their uniforms home from work, and they certainly do not wear their uniforms on dates. I've actually seen guards at the crosswalks where I live pass each other a handgun during shift change. The very expensive handgun never leaves the place of work, just like uniforms never leave the place of work. Good news. You can use your Amazon free shipping to the Philippines that I told you about in this video, and you can send your special friend a Lady Guard style outfit just like this, which I happen to order November 17th, 2023. Catch you in the next one, unless I'm in handcuffs. The official video is over with. I wanted to show you how I put a real Lady Guard uniform on the thumbnail, but it's not the face of a real lady guard. I took a photo with permission of a lady guard at the mall. I uploaded the photo to Photor, Fotor, and I also uploaded a woman with a pretty face from a media library I subscribe to. I own the license to the face. I push a button in Photor and the face is placed on the body of the lady guard. Hence, I have a licensed copy. Out.